Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a crypto bot. First, understand that these automated tools execute trades on your behalf, following specific rules you define. They are designed to operate continuously, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, allowing you to capitalize on market movements even while you are away. This automation can help manage risk and potentially enhance your trading efficiency. Next, you will need to select a reliable crypto bot platform and a compatible exchange. Many platforms offer various features, so compare them carefully. Ensure your chosen exchange supports API access for bot integration and has robust security measures. Look for exchanges with competitive fees and a wide range of trading pairs to maximize your opportunities. Once connected, the crucial step is configuring your bot's strategy. This involves setting up API keys securely on your chosen exchange, granting the bot necessary permissions. You will define your trading parameters, such as when to buy or sell, and implement essential risk management tools like stop-loss orders. A well-defined strategy is key to the bot's performance. Finally, consistent monitoring and optimization are vital for long-term success. Keep a close eye on your bot's performance and the overall market trends. Cryptocurrency markets are dynamic, so be prepared to adjust your strategy as conditions change. Regularly reviewing and fine-tuning your bot settings can significantly improve its effectiveness and help achieve your trading goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.